Hi, I'm Moira, and today I'm going to teach kids like me how to save money. The first tip is that you have a place to store your money. I would suggest a piggy bank such as this one, but you could also use a clean, dry container that you're not using to store other things. So the second tip is that you deposit to the bank every month. So I opened an account with my parents at a credit union bank called Southland Credit Union. And the account is called the Southland Junior Savers account. And it came with this cool piggy bank. So let's give a shout out to Southland Credit Union. The third tip is that you save electricity, water, and other things in your home that need to be replaced from time to time. You can do that by turning off lights when you exit a room. And maybe your parents will pay you after they've seen all the work you've been doing to help them save money. The fourth tip is to do chores. Because if you do chores, you can get an allowance, which is the money that you earn from doing chores. It could also give your parents a break too. And depending on their mood, they might give you more or less money. The fifth tip is that you avoid going to the mall when you first start to learn how to save money. You should avoid the mall because you'll get tempted to buy the things there because there's so much to look at. You could go there once you've gotten disciplined and don't want to spend money on anything or not that much stuff. The sixth tip is that you learn your wants and needs. Wants are things that you don't need, such as fans for the summer. Just go to the beach. It'll feel relaxing out there. And besides, what's better than a nature walk? Needs are essential items to life, such as shelter, food, drinks, or water, and clothes. Too much of a need can become a want, such as you getting new roller skates. You don't need roller skates. Just plain old sneakers will be good. The seventh tip is that you should not ask your parents for wants often. Because if you do, that is considered a loan. A loan is something that you owe someone for making them buy you something or making them give you money for no reason. The only time you could make your parents buy you stuff or make them give you money is when you've gotten awards or good grades. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you learned something off of this video. Bye!